Hi guys, this is Rosita Applebum and I'm here with a tutorial. I know, finally. It is this look that I'm wearing right now. It is I would say pretty much daytime smoky eye. I guess you can use this for like a date or if you're going to, I don't know, like I would wear this out to work or something. It depends where you work, but yeah, so it's just basic smoky eye. I use the Naked Basics palette as well as the Infallible Ice Latte pigment. On my lips, I'm wearing Too Faced Naughty Nude. It's this really pretty nude color, and on top I wore this Clarins Eclat Minute Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector, and I think it's Rose Shimmer. It doesn't say on the actual packaging, but it's the brownish one. It's basically like a lip gloss, and it's very brown, so I put that over like a nude to create this. And on my cheeks, I'm wearing Warm Soul by MAC. My top is from Forever 21. It's a crop top, and it's from Forever 21. It was only $7. This ring I'm always wearing. They're from H&M and Forever 21. I always wear these rings. My hair is basic like every time. My eyebrows are a little bit lighter today because I did put the Anastasia Brow Wiz on top. I'm kind of testing it out. It looks a lot lighter on camera than in person, but I figured I'd try it out today. The foundation that I'm wearing today is Lancome Teint Miracle, and I'm pretty much obsessed with it. It covers really well and it's a flawless finish. Yeah, so if you would like to see this look, keep on watching. Bye guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to get started with priming our eye, and I'm using Urban Decay Primer Potion in the color Eden. It's kind of like a concealer color. You can use like a Painterly Paint Pot Soft Ochre by MAC, or even just like the original Urban Decay Primer Potion, but I just like this one because it cancels out any like redness that you have in your eye, so I really like that. Or like veins if you have like veiny eyelids or anything like that. So we're just going to, with our fingers, kind of melt that into our skin, and I do it from lid to brow bone. And just kind of smooth it out because this one is a little bit drier, like the formula, compared to the original by Urban Decay. So I also put it under my eye because we're going to be putting some shadows. So once that's done, I'm going to be taking this brush. It's by Sonia Kashuk. It's just like a dome-shaped brush. You can use any brush that kind of just like packs on color, I guess. I don't really have too many brushes. I'm working on that. So I'm taking the color Foxy from the Naked Basics palette. It's a yellow based all over eyelid color, and I'm also taking WOS. It's like a pinky color. So I'm mixing those together and I'm putting this all over my eye. And sorry that I'm using the mirror. I just have to use it because I have to see what I'm doing. So just take that all over your lid. This is just a base color. You can hear Justin Bieber in the back because I love Justin Bieber. So put this literally all over your eye. And it should just look like this. Okay. Once you're done with putting that all over your eye, what I'm going to be doing is taking this brush. It's the MAC 224. It's a big fluffy brush. And I'm taking the color Naked 2 and a little bit of Faints, like a bit of it, and just kind of mixing it, but more of Naked 2. And I'm going to be putting this in the outer corner of my eye and blending it inwards. And just tap off any excess so that you don't get like fallout under your eye. And what I do is I basically just look at the mirror at like an angle and then just see where my crease is and just take this in there. And so I'm bringing it all the way. So I kind of hold the brush in place and bring it inwards. What I'm going to be doing is taking this 217 brush by MAC, And the black color, well, it's like a dark brown. It's called Crave, and it's very, very pigmented. So I literally take like one dot of it because it's very pigmented. And I'm going to focus this on the really outer portion of my eye. And so once I put down a dot, what I'll do is I'll take like a paper towel and just kind of clean my brush a little bit, because I don't want this to be super, super intense black, but I do like a hint, like a nudge of black. So I'll just kind of focus this on the outer corner and bring it in a little bit. You can leave your eye just like this and just keep on blending, but I wanted to put this Infallible Ice Latte. It's like a pigment, it's a pressed pigment basically, and what I do is I take any brush. This is the e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush, and I will spray Fix Plus on it. This one's like done, but I just like use whatever's left. You can use like water, a mixing medium, anything really. This is just gonna make the pigment a lot, like it's gonna stand out a lot more. And so I just press my brush into the pigment, and I'm gonna focus this on this section here, and so I just press it in. And if you brush it, it'll like also do a lot of like intensity. So I just kind of brush this on, and also on the inner corner. And it's okay if it blends into your darker colors. So once you've basically put it over the other color, you want to go back with your 224 and the color Naked 2, and just blend Naked 2 in. And I'm going to take the Sonia Kashuk with the color Foxy and Venus, which are the two front colors, and I'm going to apply this to my highlight. Mainly Foxy, because I want this part of my brow bone to be pretty matte. And then Venus on the inner corner. And now I'm just going to line my eyes. I am using Urban Decay 24/7 liquid liner. I got this by accident, but I actually kind of like it a little bit. It's pretty decent. Like, it's a weird brush like this, which I'm not used to, but I got this line with it. And I'm creating a pretty small wing compared to what I usually do. So now I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm using the Telescopic Mascara Carbon Black. Okay, I just put one layer of that, and then I'm taking this Smoldering L'Oreal pencil because I ran out of my black pencil, and I'm going to be lining my, well, I'm going to be tight lining because this makes the illusion of thicker lashes. And then also inside. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking this pencil and then also bringing it under my eye. You don't have to do this part. This is optional. Then I will take a like Equal Tools brush, and I'll put Faints and a little bit of Crave under my eye just to kind of blend that harsh black liner out. And don't worry about like it getting messy. You could always clean that up with like a concealer. This is just MAC's NC15. It's really light, and I'm gonna clean this up. And then I will put like a powder under to kind of set that. I'm using the Ben Nye banana powder under my eye. Then I'm going to be putting my bottom mascara on.